coming to you from the Mobile Tech Center here in the central part of the United States. I'm here to talk to you today about our hand tools. Fowler offers a various array of hand tools. We've implemented a good, better, best program to where we have shop grade being good, machinist grade being better, lab grade being best, good, better, best. We offer some of the economical tools for people that want to use that for their own toolbox. We offer the middle of the road. It's going to be your IP64 rated tools that are maybe a 1-year warranty. Our best tools, lab grade tools, are going to be our lifetime warranty tools. Most of our Silvac tools. We have some really cool indicators with lights and sweeps and actual sizes on there. 3 different features. We have our rapid mic that goes very, very fast. The anvil doesn't spin. Also Bluetooth capability on most of our calipers, indicators, and mics. We have our IP67 rating is a hand. We can get it wet. This has been in the water for approximately an hour. I'm going to wipe this off a little bit here. Measure gauge block right at 1 inch. So that's pretty awesome. Our rapid mic here. You can see this here also, super fast. Get you right at 1 inch. So if you have any questions on any of the Fowler hand tools, get with a local Fowler rep, and we can definitely help you out with your hand tools. Thank you so much.
Working harder.